Hey, welcome to Epic Life Hacks. My name is Raige McEnnurji, and this is the very first episode of my new series of helpful tutorials on how to tackle some of life's challenging situations and just kind of make your your day-to-day a little bit easier with these helpful tips. We're gonna jump right in and start with one that's not overly difficult. It's I'd put it at about a 6 on the difficulty scale, from 1 to 10. So this is using a light switch. So first thing is check to see what position the switch is already in. In this case, the switch is in the off position, as you can clearly see. So you can use your choice of fingers. I've opted to go with the pointer finger. It is typically the most commonly used one, but there are several ways that you can do it. Start by placing it in the position opposed. Well, it's gonna it's gonna be sort of in the direction that the switch is currently pointing, in this case downward. So we're going to go underneath it. You'll need to make physical contact. If you don't, you can actually miss the switch, and you will not get the desired effect. So place underneath, physical contact, and if it is in the off position to start, you'll use an upward sweeping motion. It doesn't require a lot of force, but some will be needed to make the proper adjustment to the location of the switch. Conversely, if it starts in the upward position or on, you will use the opposite movement. In this case, putting the finger on top of the switch and using a downward sweeping motion. You can also use the fingertip technique, which is equally useful but more prone to missing, as it is a smaller area of contact. So downward motion, and the light goes off. So I hope this was helpful. Please join me in the next video, where I will be discussing a new life hack, and to help me get this channel off the ground, please feel free to subscribe, or if you just